sheep, goats, and cattle.
Ding, ding,
And
ding.
then they told
Hershey.
na wala matakahibalo basin na infected with anthrax bacteria. So
Hmm?
usa to ka setting. Ang ikaduha ka ng industrial cases. So kanang industrial cases nana na siya sa factory. Meaning to say nga katong animals nga atong gamiton ang ilang hair portion ana nila all animal products nga atong gamiton for wool or pwede pug meat or unsa pa din ha basig na contaminated dito sa anthrax bacteria. So kato mo na usa ka source of kining acquiring sa uh, anthrax anthrax infection or anthrax disease. So ang incidence of anthrax is unknown.
Ate.
The worldwide incidence of anthrax is
Ate.
Hindi.
confirmed in 20 cases worldwide,
Kanang.
but it is estimated that certain cases of anthrax cases
Nandiyan ako sa
there are 1,000 cases of anthrax per year. Pero wala lang ni siya
Cute isi
report.
Hershey to the.
This number likely represents a significant underreporting of the disease